Hello everyone. The resource that I'm going to talk about today is CK-12, which is a resource that that provides educators with interactive textbooks, videos, and articles. You have an abundance of subjects to pick from, anything from K through 5th grade in science, English, social studies, college, translations, adult education. And to create an account, right, you go click join. Make sure you have here teacher sign up, or if you're a student, you can click sign up here. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, or using another email. When it comes to with Google, it's very, very simple. It goes straight to your Google account, and then you can sign in. Once you've created an account, you can select your grade levels, your subject, right? What grade, what subject? For me, I'm going to choose math, and I'm going to choose geometry, trig, calculus, and I'm going to choose algebra, and just let's see. I'm going to also choose analysis as well, right? So I'm going to choose those 5 subjects, and then click Let's Get Started. Once you have that, you created your profile. I'm just going to sign back in. So once we're in, we can continue looking at, let's see, math. I should do calculus right now. Okay. So if you see here, it's going to give us some options for reading, for practice, for videos, and Plix. So those are interactive videos and stuff like that. So this is a great tool if you really want to make this for learning and for students. You can also, like I said, have a student account, and if you notice up here, when you go to the website, you have switched to student version. Students can click on that, and once you have your class code, you can share it with your students, and they can go ahead and see the different assignments, different interactive assignments that you have made for them. So I think this is pretty useful, especially when it comes to this online learning and how we're trying to how it's changed over the past year. And let's just look at one. Let's look at over here. Let's just preview an article. So notice your article is here, gives you some information about it as it loads. So these articles even come with examples, especially for the math one. This is very useful because students need these examples, and even with reviews, and like I said, you can assign it to class, add it to your library, maybe save it for later. You can even download it. So like I said, CK-12 is a gold mine. I feel that it is useful, and I feel that I can even use it in my future lessons as I incorporate technology into my curriculum. So thank you so much. Pray that all of you are doing well.